There she is, Tiffany Gilman.
Good morning, Judge.
Oh, there you are. Good morning, Miss Williams Law.
Sorry about that.
Good morning, everyone. I'm going to do the best I can to get you out as fast, efficiently as possible. I'm going to try to get you out in the order that you came in, and I'm going to try to get you out so you can make sure that you cast your vote today. Today is election day, and hopefully everybody exercises their right to vote. Let me see. Stearns is Officer Stearns, good morning to you. Who is your defendant?
Good morning, Judge Perkins. My defendant is last name Lane.
Say that again.
Lane?
Lane?
Yes. First name, I believe it's Arlisha.
I don't have her. Oh, I do.
I believe it's citation number uniform 7438022. Okay, sir.
All right, thank you. Good
Yes,
morning
sir.
to you. Okay, everyone, let's go get started. Are we ready, Miss Williams Law?
Yes, Your Honor.
This is the city of, good morning to you. This is the city of Detroit versus Deja Shanice Lyman, case number SP 14114281. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Lyman.
Deja Lyman, are you there? I think she fell off. All right. Miss Villarreal, good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Can you state your name for the record, please?
Yes, sir. Evelyn Villarreal, certified court interpreter number C3822.
And can you raise your right hand, please?
Yes.
Do you swear or affirm that you'll truly, accurately, and impartially interpret in the matter now before the court, not divulge confidential communications, so help you God?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
And do you swear or affirm that to the best of your ability, you'll interpret from English to Spanish to English?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
Very well. This is the city of Detroit versus Mendez, Jason, Derek, Huron, case number SP 1926194, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 1926197, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Se llama el caso de la ciudad de Detroit contra Jason Derrick Girón Méndez. Números de caso SP 1926192, cargos 1, 2 y 3. Y SP 19267, 1 y 2. Que todos sigan sus nombres para que consten en el acta, por favor.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Gueron.
Elwood S. Berry representando al acusado. Usted díganos su nombre completo, señor Girón.
Jason Derrick Girón Méndez.
Jason Derrick Girón Méndez.
Morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time is set for a pre-trial. I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Mr. Berry. Attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you do not like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Buenos días, usted, señores. Es el día y es la hora que habíamos fijado para tener la consulta previa al juicio. Lo que vamos a hacer es lo vamos a pasar a una sala privada de consulta para que usted tenga la oportunidad de hablar con su abogado, el señor Berry. Él le va a tratar de conseguir usted una oferta de resolución, pero si usted no le gusta la oferta que le propone la fiscalía, recuerde que usted tiene todo derecho de ir a juicio. Acepte la invitación donde dice join o unirse.
We'll pass the matter. Good morning to you, Ms. Harris.
Good morning, Your Honor. Good morning, everyone.
This is the City of Detroit versus James Nathaniel Golston. Case number SP 1927938, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Good morning to the staff. Chair Harris, P72832, on behalf of Mr. Golston. Please state your name for the record.
Mr. Golston, can you unmute yourself, start your camera, and state your name for the record, please? We just got people that, okay, there we go.
There you go. Yes, sir. My name is James Nathaniel Golston.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time is set for a pretrial. I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out. We'll pass the matter.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
How do I get to the break room?
Who's that laying down in the bed? Mr. Torres, good morning to you.
Morning, Judge.
Who's your client?
Cola John.
Pardon me?
Cola John. GJ.
I woke up just in time for it too.
GJ.
ONAJ.
Okay. Mr. Giovanni,
Yes, Your Honor.
good morning to you. How can I help you?
I'm on, you were just speaking to my attorney?
Mr. Torres, oh, you're Mr. Cola John.
Jonai.
Jonai, I'm sorry.
That's fine.
It's set for trial. I'm gonna put you in the breakout room 5. Wait on, we're gonna give the officer a half-hour grace period. This is everybody that has a trial. We're gonna give the officer a half-hour grace period from 9 or whatever time they're set to be here. From Lane would be 8:30 to 9, and Mr. Third guy would be from 9 to 9:30. We'll give the officer that half-hour grace period. If the officer appears, then Mr. Torres knows what to do. If the officer does not appear, then we'll get you out of here. He knows what to do then too.
Thanks, Judge.
All right. And then you can just don't let anybody in the room, Mr. Torres. You can go wait in 4 for the city attorney. I'll put your client in 5. Join the room, Mr. Judge, and wait on your attorney, please. All right, let's go back on the record with Miss Lyman. Miss Lyman, are you there?
Yeah,
Good morning to you, ma'am. State your name for the record, please.
Deja Lyman.
All right, good morning to you. I'm gonna enter a not guilty plea on your behalf, give you a $0 bond. At this time, I'm gonna dismiss your case because you have a valid driver's license, ma'am. I'll waive the warrant fee. If it's nothing further, you have a very good rest of your day. Best of luck to you.
Thank you. You too, Judge.
Miss Gilmer, good morning to you. On from her seat. Ms. Gilmer?
Good morning, Judge.
Good morning to you, ma'am. Ma'am, I'm this is your first time being in front of me, correct?
No, I was in front of you less than 2 weeks ago, sir.
On the same issue?
Yes, on the same issue. You
Did
had
I
me
have-
go to a breakout room and speak with an attorney.
And I didn't have you testing or anything?
No, sir. You just sent me to a breakout room. And had me speak with an attorney and adjourned me until today.
That doesn't sound like that was me, but
It was you, sir. I promise, because I'm just learning how to do this Zoom thing.
because I should have put some restrictions on you.
I thought that's what we were coming back to today for.
Yeah, I don't know why I waited till today to do that, but nevertheless, I can allow you to speak to an attorney and you can get the advice but it's not going to change what I'm going to do today, okay?
Understand?
What I'll do is,
Do I
if you
need an
want
ink
to,
pen?
yes, you do.
Okay, will you allow me just 1 second to grab one?
Absolutely.
Thank you, sir. One moment.
313-772-1365. Good morning to you. What is your name, please? That's the guy.
Mr. Lucci.
Mr. Fidel
Fidel
Lucci.
Lucci, yes. I just put him on. PK.
She was here before and after me.
Yeah.
That what she did.
So she wasn't in front of me.
No, she must have talked to
Yeah, they just
Yeah.
Hello?
Hello,
let's-
sir.
Are we ready on
Yeah.
Mendez?
Ready, Your Honor.
All right.
Hello?
Hold on, Mr. Lucci.
Why is this
I'm gonna
popping up?
mute you, Mr. Lucci. Press *6 to unmute yourself when I call your name, okay?
Okay.
Well, what is this? Oh, get it. Oh, that's somebody else.
Hold on, Miss. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Gilmer. Mr. Gilmer, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do? I mean, Mr. Duran, let's go back on the record with Mr. Duran. Mr. Duran, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Así que vamos a volver ahora en el acta con el caso del señor Girón. Señor Girón, yo le di a usted la oportunidad de hablar con su abogado en una sala privada de consulta. Dígame, abogado, ¿qué van a hacer?
Your Honor, my client has shown valid insurance as well as registration. He's also shown his vehicle which shows that the brake lights are operative as well as the turn signal, and that the vehicle is now without tint. And we'd seek to have these matters dismissed.
Sí, su señoría, mi cliente me pudo mostrar en su vehículo que ya las ventanas no están muy oscurecidas y que también la luz de freno defectuosa trabaja y la luz de señal que estaba defectuosa ya trabaja. Aparte de eso, me pudo mostrar registración que está vigente y que tenía comprobante de seguro de vehículo. Reconociendo todo esto, su señoría, le queremos pedir que usted desestime todos los cargos.
Okay, with that being said, I'm going to dismiss the cases, sir, for providing valid documentation. If there's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you, okay?
Muy bien, así que reconociendo todo eso, señor, voy a desestimar a todos los cargos suyos, debido a que usted nos pudo ver documentación válida. Si no tiene algo que agregar, le queremos desear a usted muy buen día y buena suerte.
Muchas gracias.
Thank you very much.
All right, best of luck to you.
Muchísima suerte usted y que tenga buen día.
Igualmente.
Same to you.
This is the city of Detroit. versus Robin Lee, case number SP1926151, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Lee.
You have to unmute yourself, ma'am.
Okay. Robin Usi Lee.
Okay. Well, good morning to you. Today is the date and time is set for a pre-trial. Put you in the breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Thank you.
We'll pass the matter. Okay, Ms. Gilmer. So do you want to speak with an attorney today, or I'm going to appoint you an attorney unless you're going to hire your own attorney?
Yes, please appoint me an attorney.
Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some conditions on you. These are
Okay.
the conditions that I put on everybody that has a first time allegation like this. Again, if you want me to get you out of here now, we'll get you your contact information. As a matter of fact, I'm going to ask you to put your contact information in the chat. I'll send you a chat and you can send me your contact information.
I don't know this phone number, but I'm looking it up right now.
All right, well, put it in the chat when you're ready to go.
Where you find the settings at on this thing? Oh, yeah. I'm definitely trying to find the phone number.
All right, you can think, don't think out loud, please. Officer Corporal Reinhardt, good morning to you. I have you checked in, so if you need to go check in another court, feel free, or you can sit in the main room or join the number one if you choose. Good morning to you. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Golston. Mr. Golston, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, we are requesting a trial date.
Is that what you want, Mr. Golston? Where is he?
There, he's just muted.
Mr. Golston, can you unmute yourself? Start your camera.
Oh, okay. I got somebody helping me because I have a learning disorder a little bit.
All right.
Can you see me, sir?
I can't, but I've seen you. Mr. Golston, you want that trial date, is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm gonna give you a trial date of August 24th, 2026 at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, Mr. Golston, have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you, okay?
You have a blessed day, sir.
Thank you so much.
Y'all both. Thank you. Thank y'all.
This is the city of Detroit versus
Yes,
Tiffany
ma'am.
Marie Gilmer.
What do I do now? Just hang up?
I'll put you out.
Oh.
This is the city of Detroit versus Tiffany Marie Gilmer, case number Z8101771. Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris, on behalf of Ms. Gilmer, please state your name for the record.
Tiffany Gilmer.
All right, good morning to you, Ms. Gilmer.
Good morning.
Day is date and time, and I can assure you, you didn't see me last time.
I did.
I just know that for a fact. But nevertheless, we'll see, we see each other now. Today is the date and time is set for a pretrial, but I'm gonna put some conditions on you. First, I'm gonna have you start testing 1 time per week. I'm gonna order you not to leave the state of Michigan without the court's permission. And I'm gonna order you to do not drink during the pendency of this case. Miss Harris, I'm gonna appoint Miss Gilmer an attorney. And I'm gonna refer this matter to probation so they can oversee the testing. I'm gonna give you the number to probation. That's 313-965-3414.
3414?
3414. As a matter of fact, that came straight in the lottery the other day too.
I don't gamble.
Hey, I do a little, but
Just a little bit.
there's a little something, I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Miss Harris. She's gonna, talk to you a little bit if you have any questions. Here's the deal. I'm gonna set another pretrial date for August the 24th, 2026 at 8:30.
Can you, I'm trying to write this down. 8/24.
8:24, 8:30. I need you to answer the calls, and Miss Harris will collect your information, the phone number, and put it in the chat for you to make sure that we have that in the file so we can make sure that probation can reach out to you and that the appointed attorney can reach out to you. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney, we'll get one appointed to you on the spot on your next court date. But if you don't hear from probation, today is Tuesday, ma'am. I expect the test this week. I expect that the test be negative. I hope that the test is negative. I expect that there's no diluted test, and I expect that there's no missed test. If
I don't
by
even
some
understand what that part means.
she'll explain it to you. Ms. Harris will explain it to you. But if by some chance that they don't call you, then I need you to be proactive. I need you to get in and zoom back into the court or call probation or something, because I expect the test this week and I expect one every week thereafter until the restrictions change or until the case is done with. So I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's going to answer any other questions that you may have, and then we'll get your contact information and you'll be free to leave. If you have any court questions with the court, feel free to come back in and ask me, okay?
Thank you, sir.
All right, Ms. Gilmore, join the breakout room, please. We'll pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Miss Lee. Miss Lee, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client requires the trial and the appointment of counsel. Her number is in the chat.
Is that what you want, Miss Lee?
Yes, Your Honor.
I'm gonna set a pretrial date. That date is gonna be set so that appointed attorney has an opportunity to contact you. Again, if you don't hear from that appointed attorney by your next date of August the 24th, 2026 at 8:30, we'll get one appointed to you on the spot on that day. Okay, Ms. Lee?
Yes.
All right, if you don't have anything further, ma'am, I do wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
You too as well, Your Honor. Thank you.
Thank you. All right, thank you. This is the city of Detroit versus Fidel Lucci. Case number SP 194406. Counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Lucci.
Press *6 to unmute yourself, Mr. Lucci.
Hello?
State your name for
Hello?
the record. To you, Mr. Lucci, state your name for the record, please.
Yes, Fidel Lucci.
All right, good morning to you. Today is the date and time it's set for a pretrial, Mr. Berry. I'm happy to say that Mr. Lucci does have a valid driver's license. Mr. Lucci, I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get
Yes,
you an
sir.
updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Yes, sir.
He's in there, Mr. Berry. We'll pass the
Thank you,
matter.
Your
Zoom user, good morning to you. Can you unmute yourself, start your camera, and state your name, please?
Kyla Gaston.
Say that again.
Kyla Gaston. Kyla, Kyla. Gaston.
Hey, Gaston.
Yes.
Good morning to you.
Good morning.
Ms. Gaston, your matter is not set until 9. We'll give the officer a half-hour grace period from 9 to 9:30. If the officer appears, then we'll get you in with an attorney. If the officer does not appear, we'll get you out of here, okay? On the iPhone, good morning to you. What is your name, please?
Angela Lewis.
Said Lewis.
Yes.
Is that Angela Lewis?
Yes.
Good morning to you, Ms. Lewis.
Good morning.
And you heard the same for you. Your matter doesn't start from 9. We'll give the officers a half-hour grace period till 9:30.
Okay.
And if the officer appears, then we'll get you in with the attorney. If the officer does not appear, we'll get you out of here.
Okay.
Your Honor, is that the same thing for me? I apologize if I'm interrupting.
Yeah, everyone that's got a trial. Good
Okay.
morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor.
All right, let's are you ready on anyone, Ms. Harris?
I need someone.
Oh, you need someone? All right. Let's call the City of Detroit versus Chanel Lowe. Case number SP 1925319, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Hi. Oh, I'm
Jerica
sorry.
Harris, on behalf of Ms. Lowe, please state your name for the record.
Chanel Lowe.
Morning to you, Ms. Lowe. Today is the date and time is set for a pre-trial. Ms. Lowe, I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Sure.
When you see the prompt, join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out.
Okay.
Pass the matter.
You have to look at his plan to see.
I'm listening.
The last time that Mr. Lucci was here, did we put a copy of the
I didn't see it. I don't know. Let's see. Just
Are you walking?
Oh, that's the one.
It's okay. He's talking to attorney Mary. Are we ready on anyone?
Your Honor, can I get co-host abilities?
Who's your, good morning to you. Who's your,
Stephen Lincoln.
okay, he's here.
Okay.
You can take him to any breakout room that's under 4 that's available.
Okay.
I was trying to see if he was there, but like he was trying to see who that attorney was there for.
Let's see. Officer Hall, good morning to you.
Good morning, sir.
Who is your defendant?
My defendant is, hold on, step out 1 second. Where's that? I'm sorry. His name is George, Mr. George, Dalen George.
Okay. Okay, let's see.
Sir, okay, I got it in my phone. I can take it off now.
So you mean you got the picture of it on your phone?
Yeah.
So screenshot it and send it to the attorney.
Okay, I got it on my phone now, but
Screenshot it and send it to the attorney.
Counselor Clayton, good morning to you.
Good morning, Judge.
Who is your defendant?
Gary Lewis. He is going to appear in person, Judge. He was having problems with his technology.
Okay. Well, I'm gonna put you in breakout room 4. That's where the city attorney is gonna meet. I'll assign that. You don't have to join it necessarily until the attorney comes in. let's see. And if you need a breakout room with your client, when he comes, we'll get you in there as well.
Thank you.
On the Motorola Moto G, good morning to you. Can you unmute yourself, start your camera, and state your name, please? Motorola Moto G.
La persona por el teléfono Motorola Moto G, por favor, prenda su micrófono, identifíquese.
Officer Warren, good morning to you. Who is your defendant?
Lauren Island. Good morning, sir.
Yes, I got you. Good morning to you. She's here. We're waiting on the interpreter.
Okay.
Officer Ryben, did I get the pronunciation correct? All right, are we ready on anyone, Mr. Berry? Are we ready on Fidel Lucci? All right, we're not getting. Ms. Harris, are you ready on anyone?
Yes, Your Honor. Ms. Lowe.
Okay, let's go back on the record with Ms. Lowe. Ms. Lowe, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, we are requesting the appointment of counsel.
Is that what you want, Ms. Lowe?
Yes.
Yeah, pretty much read off.
I'm gonna set a pretrial date, Ms. Lowe, for the August the 24th at 8:30. That date is set so that the attorney has an opportunity to contact you. If you don't hear from that attorney by your next court date, then we'll get one appointed to you on the spot on that date. I just need you to answer the calls you don't recognize, okay?
Okay.
All right, if there's nothing further, Ms. Lowe, have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you, okay?
Thank you. You do the same.
Thank you.
Your Honor.
Yes, Mr. Berry.
As to Mr. Lucci, Mr. Lucci believes that he has provided insurance to the court, and I'm wondering if we could determine if it's in his file.
I do not see any insurance in the file.
All right. Then our situation is one where we like a trial date on this matter, Your Honor, so that he can get that information again.
Let me get Ms. Harris going. And tell Mr. Lucci he can come in.
He is present in the courtroom.
Yeah, he's not in. This is the city of Detroit versus Elin Irene Gleaton. Case number SP191-65001, SP191-65011. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, it's Ellen Gleaton.
Ellen Gleaton.
On behalf of Ms. Gleaton.
All right, good morning to you, ma'am. Today is the date and time is set for a show cause. For purposes of arraignment, counselor.
Purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
And we'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. Ms. Gleaton, I'm gonna put is a no insurance proof
That's
that goes
what
along.
may I say something?
Hold on.
Sorry.
It's a no insurance proof that goes along with that, Ms. Harris. Ms. Gleason, you speak to Ms. Harris about it. She'll take care of you, all right?
Okay.
I'm gonna
sounds
put you in
good.
the breakout room and talk to Ms. Harris. And if she gets you an updated offer, keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Okay.
All right. Join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out, please. You can get Lucci and tell him to come in.
Bring him in, Judge.
You can.
He can hang up.
Yes. Delary Godbot, good morning to you.
They come off too.
On that Motorola, good morning to you. What is your name, sir? Motorola, you just spoke. Is he on the Motorola? Oh, no.
La persona por el Motorola, usted acabó de hablar.
He speaks English.
Oh, okay, thank you.
Yes. How you doing?
How are you? What is your name, please?
Okay.
Start your camera. What is your name, please?
Okay, thank you.
What is your name on the Motorola? Hello? All right. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Lucci. Mr. Lucci, step up,
sir.
please. Good morning to you, Mr. Lucci. Today is the date and time is set for a pre-trial. I do have valid driver's license. You indicated that you brought us valid insurance, but I don't have that in the file.
I thought I gave it to y'all last time when I was here. I haven't brought it last time. You know, I'm here.
And I thought I told you last time to bring it back.
Well, I had to put it in my car, right? And I didn't drive today. I caught a bus, and I mean the insurance is in my car. But is it possible that y'all can call them? I got the number.
Is it possible that you can zoom in?
I mean, I don't know how to do all of that, but
Is it possible that you can find somebody to help you zoom in?
yeah, I mean, yes, I'll try.
Or when do you want to come back?
Well, tomorrow, I'll bring it back.
No, come back on
I'll bring it back tomorrow.
Thursday. Come back on Thursday.
Oh, okay.
That give you 2 days to get somebody to help you zoom in. If you can zoom in and show it, but you still have this speeding ticket that we got to settle up on too. No, you're lucky you didn't pay for that. You don't want to pay for a speeding ticket because then you're going to get all the points that go along with it. You want Mr. Berry to work out a deal for you.
Yes, sir.
Unless you want to fight it.
No, ain't no sense in fighting.
Well, if that's how you choose, that's the way you want to do it. You want to come back on Thursday?
Yeah, I'm gonna bring the paper with me.
You can zoom in on Thursday if you have this to show Mr. Berry.
Okay.
If so, you can come down or come back, all right? Come back on Thursday. You can zoom in or you can come in. That's up to you.
Okay, I'll come in Thursday.
All right. 8:30, Mr. Lucci. I wish you the best of luck. Thursday at 8:30, all right?
Yes, sir. I appreciate that, Judge.
Best of luck to you. Emily? Is that Emily Goodman?
Hello?
Is that Emily Goodman?
Yes, it is. Good morning.
Good morning to you. Can you turn your camera on, please? Everybody's got to turn their camera on when they're addressing the court, okay?
I'm trying to. I think it's on. I can't tell if it's on.
City of Detroit, it says it's on, but it's not showing us who you are. Maybe Mr. Berry can help you. City of Detroit versus Emily Goodman, case number SP 122-62941. SP 1904090 counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr., on behalf of the defendant, state your full name, Ms. Goodman.
Emily Goodman.
Now your camera's off.
Oh, or start my video. The host asks you to start your video.
All right. She's gonna have to get it together, Mr. Berry. For purposes of arraignment, counselor,
We would waive the reading of the information and stand mute, Your Honor.
and we'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. Ms. Goodman has allowing that's in warrant status. I'll recall that warrant. And she, along with this no insurance misdemeanor, she has an 11 to 15 over the speed limit, Mr. Berry. Ms. Goodman, I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay? When you see the prompt, join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out.
Okay, thank you.
Nagato.
Hello, sir.
Good morning to you, sir. What is your full name, please?
Aaron Lewis.
Aaron Lewis. Good morning to you, Mr. Lewis.
Good morning.
Eric.
Yes,
Morning to you. What is your full name, sir?
Eric Shantez Griffin.
Eric, good morning to you.
Good morning.
Let's go back on the record with Ms. Gleason. Ms. Gleason, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, we are requesting an adjourned pretrial if the court will allow, or a trial date in the court's discretion. And we would also ask to set aside the default on the no proof of insurance.
All right, how long is it gonna take you to get this together, Miss Gleason?
I have an
Her
appointment today
appointment is to, her appointment is today.
at 4.
When do you want to come back? Monday, you want to come back on Tuesday, on Thursday?
Yes, I can come back Thursday.
All right,
Same
come
time.
back Thursday at 8:30, yes, same time. If there's nothing further, I do wish you the best of luck.
Okay.
Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
You as well. Thank you.
Thank you. All right, this is the City of Detroit versus Aaron DeLon Lewis Jr. Case number SP 1914697, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris, on behalf of Mr. Lewis, please state your name for the record.
Aaron Lewis.
And good morning to you, Mr. Lewis. Officer Sanders, good morning to you. Can you state your name, badge number, department for the record, please? Officer Sanders, are you there? Officer Sanders, unmute yourself, start your camera, state your name, badge number, department for the record, please. All
Yes,
right.
sir. I'm here. I'm right here. Officer Sanders, badge number 3054, 7th Precinct, Detroit Police Department.
All right, there you go. You have to turn your camera on, please.
Yes, sir. 1 second.
Good morning to you. Day is date and time set for a trial. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room, Mr. Lewis with Ms. Harris. She's gonna attempt to get this resolved. Keep in mind, if you don't like the resolution, the day is the date and time set for the trial, okay?
Okay.
Join the room, we'll pass the matter. Good morning, Ms. Horn.
Good morning, Your Honor. Good morning, everyone.
Torres, are you ready on your client?
Judge, yes, it doesn't look like there's an officer.
Okay, we still have some time.
All right. Trying to have him, son.
Officer Davis, good morning to you. Who is your defendant, please?
Hey, how you doing? How you doing, Your Honor? My defendant is going to be Robert Lee Lewis.
Okay. He's here. Officer, was that Ryden?
Morning, Your Honor. It's Officer Rabine, badge 2045, Detroit Police Department.
Good morning to you. Who is your defendant?
Delon George.
Yes, he's here. Okay. I have everyone, all the officers checked in. Larry Godbout. Is he there? He's gone. All right, we're just we don't have any, we're waiting on an attorney now.
As to Ms. Goodman, Your Honor.
Let's go back on the record with Ms. Goodman. Ms. Goodman, I'm giving you an oh, she's there. Did you understand that do you know what she wants to do?
Yes, Your Honor. She fell off, but
Yeah,
we
she's
had
coming back in.
discussed. Is she back in?
No, it's not yet. All right. I think that she's still sitting in the it's just not allowing her in. What about Ryan Langdon? Good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Let's call that one, Mr. Berry. And when she gets connected, I'll put you back in.
Yes,
All right.
sir.
This is the city of Detroit. versus Ryan Langdon, case number SP 1890336, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 191726061. And then we have 3 new cases, SP 1935055, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Langdon.
Ryan William Langdon.
Okay, good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time is set for a trial. Corporal Reinhardt is here. He's in the waiting room now. You can resolve these today, and then set a trial or formal hearing on the other cases. Let's rearrange them on those cases now, Mr. Berry.
Your Honor, we will waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on his behalf, give him a $0 bond. The other 3 cases, Mr. Berry, are just like the first ones, expired plate, no valid registration, both civil infractions, and a no insurance misdemeanor. Corporal Reinhardt, good morning to you. Can you state your name, badge number, department for the record, please?
Yes, sir. Corporal Reinhardt, badge number 1151, DPD 10th Precinct.
All right, good morning to you. So Mr. Reinhardt, or Mr. Langdon, I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's gonna see if he can get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, at least on the 3 cases that are on trial today, then we'll trial. Join the room, we'll pass the matter. Attorney Clayton, good morning to you. All right, I'm gonna give you, is your client here?
No, he couldn't get his Zoom to work, so he was driving there. So he's running a little bit behind, but he'll be there, Judge.
All right, well, we're just gonna wait. Emily, did you get back on? Goodman? No. All right, we'll put that aside. And we just have a few, it should be a few more. All right. This is the city of Detroit versus Kola Goichai, case number V12705-426, V12705-526. Appearance for the record, please.
Peter Torres here on behalf of Mr. Jonai.
Jonai, good morning. Go ahead, I'm sorry.
Sorry, Judge. My P number is 68242.
Good morning to you. Mr. Jonai, good morning to you. Can you state your name for the record, please?
My name is Kola, K-O-L-A, Jonai, G-J-O-N-A-J, Your Honor.
Good morning to you. Today is the date and time. It is set for a trial. Do I have an officer, Stephen Turner? Officer Stephen Turner. I have not seen that officer join the room. And I don't see that officer in any of the breakout rooms. Go ahead, Counselor.
Yes, Your Honor, I'm asking for a dismissal.
The case is going to be dismissed, Mr. Jonai, if it's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day. Best of luck to you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thanks, Judge. Have a good day.
Have a good day. Mr. Hajazi, good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor.
All right, City of Detroit versus Demario D. Grant, case number, strike that, State of Michigan versus Demario D. Grant, case number SX4705809. Appearance for the record, please.
Rami Hijazi, P82830, on behalf of Mr. Grant, Your Honor. This is a civil infraction. I do have full authority to act on my client's behalf. I would request a waiver of his presence.
And I'll grant that, waiver of his presence. Is there a David Willett from the Michigan State Trooper Willett, Michigan State Police, Trooper Willett, hearing no response, and I have not seen that trooper check in. Go ahead, Counselor.
Your Honor, at this time, this matter was scheduled for an 8:30 a.m. formal hearing, given that it's 9:32 a.m. and that Mr. Trooper David Willett has not checked in. I'd be asking the court to dismiss this matter.
Case is dismissed. If it's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day. Best of luck to you. Okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
We never did get the, did we get the interpreter? We need that interpreter.
Yeah, no, that never did. And that was,
I'll show you here, this one. Yes,
Yeah.
right there.
All right, thank you.
Get Miss Barrett in here, please, when you get a chance.
Who did you need?
Miss Melita Barrett for
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Mr. George.
Yeah.
This is the City of Detroit versus Kyla Gadsden, case number SP192-41021, SP192-41011. Ms. Gadsden, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please. Kyla Gadsden. Is she here? She was. You have to unmute yourself, ma'am. Start your camera and state your name, please. Kyla Gadsden, can you unmute yourself? Start your camera and state your name, please.
Kyla Gaston.
Good morning to you, ma'am. Today is the date and time set for a trial. Officer Backstresser did not appear.
Okay, thank you.
I'm going to dismiss your case, okay?
All right, thank you.
Best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day.
You too.
You're welcome.
He's checking on the status of the interpreter, and then I have to call Barrett, you said, and then.
Barrett, and then can you hand me that Gadsden file, please?
Yep. Yeah.
Thank you. I have you, Miss Goodman. Give me a minute. We gotta get Mr. Berry back. And with Sean Lee, good morning to you. I have you checked in as well.
Thank you, Your Honor.
On the Motorola device, they haven't checked. City of Detroit versus Jacob Latrell Leggett. Case number SP 1899701, counts 1, 2, and 3. Mr. Leggett, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Good morning. Jacob Leggett.
All right, everybody's got to turn their camera on when you address the court, please. Good morning to you, Mr. Leggett. Today is the date and time is set for a trial. Officer Officer Bartlett. Not seeing that officer on my list and not hearing that officer, I'm going to dismiss your case, sir. No officer. If there's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day. Best of luck to you, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome. We're just waiting on an attorney. Who is Mr. Lincoln's attorney? Do we know? You got it. There's an attorney. Mr. Lincoln, Stephen Lincoln. I think his attorney may be.
I remember.
Yeah, that's Reese Carpenter.
Yeah.
That's Reese Carpenter. Okay, so we'll put that one aside. George, we're waiting on this. This is Miss Harris's. We're waiting on the interpreter. Your client is in breakout room 10, Mr. Carpenter.
Did the officer appear for Stephen Lincoln?
Yes.
Thank you.
Must be
That must be Lewis.
the one that was,
That the attorney's waiting on.
the officer.
I don't think the officer appeared either. Is that Gary Lewis? Yeah. Yeah, he can come on. Good morning to you. Good morning to you. Step up, sir. City of Detroit versus Gary Alexander Lewis, case number U75008826. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Spencer Clayton appearing on behalf of Mr. Gary Lewis, P number 77302. Mr. Lewis, state your name for the record, please.
Gary Alexander Lewis.
All right, good morning to you, Mr. Lewis. Today, today is the date and time is set for a trial. R. Landrum, hearing no response.
Your Honor, we would move to dismiss. This matter was set for 8:30. It is now 9:49.
Case dismissed. If there's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day. Best of luck to you.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. Thank you.
Did you contact Ms. Barrett?
I left a message. She didn't answer. Who was the defendant buried?
George.
I'm calling from. And is George.
Mr. Berry,
Yes, Your Honor.
Goodman is back.
All right. I'd like to speak with her in the breakout room.
I'll put you in 5. Ms. Goodman, try to join the room, please. If you answer a call, then it's gonna hang you up, so don't answer the call until we're done, please.
She was here last time, but I believe for at the pre-trial. But I had, yeah, and I told her on that day.
Ms. Villarreal, Mr. Garcia has a dismissal waiting here, but he's not here.
Yes, Your Honor. Would you like me to continue to wait? I'm happy to do so.
That's totally up to you. I was gonna give him until 10 o'clock, but if you have something else to do, you feel free to go take care of that, and you can come back anytime.
Thank you, Your Honor. I think I'll do that. I'll wait right till 10. It's like in about 5 minutes. And if he's not here by then, I will ask to be excused, but I can return at any time if you need me.
You don't even have to ask to be excused, Ms. Villarreal. Go ahead and leave when you're ready. If he doesn't show, and if he does, we'll get back in touch with you.
Perfect. Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
At the last hearing.
I'm going to take a few minute recess.
Keep your device on mute until your case is called, Mr. Langdon.
Yep.
Okay, I think we're getting ready to get some things done. Let's go back on the record. Let's go back on the record with Miss Emily Goodman. Miss Goodman, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client requires a trial and the appointment of counsel. Her number is in the chat.
Is that what you want, Miss Goodman? Where's Miss Goodman? She's falling
She's
off
here.
again?
No, she's here, but muted. Unmute, Ms. Goodman.
Miss Goodman, can you unmute yourself, please? I'm sending you the prompt to unmute yourself. Oh. All right, let's pass it. Mr. Berry, do you have anyone? Let's go back on the record with Mr. Langdon. Mr. Langdon, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, per the prosecutor, these matters on and off docket are to be dismissed.
I'm sure you don't have any objection to that, do you, Mr. Langdon?
No, Your Honor.
All right, have a good day, sir. Case dismissed. Best of luck to you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Mr. Berry, you're welcome. This is the city of Detroit versus.
I took the prompt.
All right, let's go back on last time. Go back on the record with Miss Goodman. Miss Goodman, you said you wanted to appoint an attorney, correct?
Yes.
All right, I'm going to appoint you an attorney. I'm going to ask you to answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney by your next court date, we'll get one appointed to you on the spot, okay?
Okay, thank you.
All right, best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Thank you. You do the same as well.
Thank you. Mr. Berry, this is the city of Detroit versus Angela Marie Lewis. Case number SP-183-7927, counts 1 and counts 2. SP-1922545, counts 1 and counts 2. SP-192254661. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry, Jr., on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Lewis. Or Mr. Lewis.
Miss Angel Marie Lewis, is she here? You have to unmute yourself, ma'am.
Angela Lewis.
Good morning to you. Today is the date and time is set for a trial. I do have Officer LaFata did appear, Mr. Berry. I don't see Officer Kulachecki. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right. So get Miss Lewis an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, Miss Lewis, today is the date and time set for the trial, okay? I'm gonna put you in the breakout room. Mr. Berry's gonna see if he can work this out for you, okay?
Okay.
When you see the prompt, let's see if Officer LaFata is still here. When you see the prompt, join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out.
Okay.
We'll pass the matter. let's go back on the record with Mr. Aaron Lewis. This is a dismissal.
Yes,
Ms.
Your Honor.
Harris?
Yes, Your Honor, we stipulate to probable cause.
All right, we'll dismiss the case. What does he provide valid documentation?
Pursuant to recommendation, Your Honor.
All right, per city attorney. All right, Mr. Aaron Lewis, are you there? Everybody's muted. Yeah, unmute yourself.
I'm here.
All right, your case is dismissed, sir. Best of luck to you.
Oh, okay, appreciate you very much, Your Honor. You have a blessed day, sir.
Better one. Take it easy. This is the City of Detroit versus Robert Lee Lewis IV, case number SP 185-96801. Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris on behalf of Mr. Lewis, please state your name for the record.
Mr. Ford.
Your Honor, there is a recommendation to dismiss. We ask court to adopt the recommendation.
Okay, and that officer did appear. Let's see.
It was an officer, Jared Davis, I believe.
Yes, he did appear. All right, I'll adopt the recommendation, dismiss her city attorney. Mr. Lewis, if it's nothing further, I do wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Ooh,
Thank you.
thank you.
You're welcome. All right, this is the City of Detroit, Ms. Harris versus Eric Shantez Griffin, case number V13510-126. Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris on behalf of Mr. Griffin, please state your name for the record.
Eric Shantez Griffin.
Good morning to you, sir. Officer Pencil is here. Today is the date and time is set for a trial. I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's going to attempt to work this out for you. Keep in mind that you have an absolute right to a trial. If you don't like the offer, and the day is the date and time set for that. When you see the prompt, join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, please. Pass the matter.
There was never a request for an attorney, Your Honor?
No. All right. Ms. Barrett, are we ready on George?
Good morning, Judge.
Are we ready on Mr. Carpenter? Are we ready on Stephen Lincoln, Mr. Carpenter?
Yes, Your Honor.
I have Daylon George. Were you speaking to me?
Yes, City of Detroit versus Stephen Demetrius Lincoln, case number SP 189-0053, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Good morning, Your Honor. Attorney Reese Carpenter, P number 88895 on behalf of Stephen Demetrius Lincoln. Can you please state your full name for the record?
Stephen Demetrius Lincoln. Good morning, Your
Good
Honor.
morning, sir. Good morning to you. Officer Dalbosky did appear. What's the resolution, if any?
Your Honor, my client has indicated to me that he wishes to accept the people's offer for the improper transportation of usable marijuana. That would be put under a 3-month delayed sentence, with the remaining counts being dismissed.
You want to take that deal, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
And you raise your right hand, please. Do you swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir, Your Honor.
You can put your hand down. Has anybody ever told you you look like that actor? I think his birthday is today. The one that's always playing a kind of a villainous character.
If I'm thinking about the same person that you're thinking about, I heard it a few times. If we talking about the guy that played on Coach Carter.
Did he play on Coach Carter? I'm gonna have to see that. All right, did I swear you in? Let me do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, Sean, I understand.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Carpenter went over your other advice or rights, did he not?
Yes, Your Honor, he did.
You understood those rights?
Yes, I did.
Any questions about those rights?
No, Your Honor, I just only thing that I wanted to say, if you don't mind, like I just
Well,
wanted
let's
to.
get through this first. Let's get through these rights things first.
Yes,
I'll
sir.
get you time to get you. I'll let you get the rest of it off your chest in a minute. All right.
Yes, sir.
You understood the rights, correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
And you didn't have any questions about the rights, did you?
No, Your Honor.
And you know by taking this deal, you're going to give the rights up.
Yes, Your
You
Honor.
understand? And has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, Your Honor.
Let me draw your attention back to April the 6th, 2026, around 6:21 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Annabelle and Schaefer. Did you have an occasion on that day to be have contact with the Detroit Police Department on that day?
Yes, Your Honor.
Were you in a motor vehicle?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you have some marijuana in that motor vehicle?
Yes, Your Honor.
And where was that marijuana stored?
It was in a bag in a front seat.
And okay, and that's it. That's you have to understand that to transport the marijuana is almost akin to transporting a pistol without a concealed weapons license, where you have to have that marijuana outside of the passenger compartment of the vehicle, like putting it in the trunk or something like that.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. I'll find them guilty. Are you satisfied, counselor?
I'm satisfied, Your Honor.
Court is satisfied. Stipulate the probable cause. We'll dismiss the other matters.
So stipulated.
All right. What do you, 240? When can you pay it? Well, I can give you the 3 months.
Okay, that's fair.
Review at 11/2/2026. Pay it. Don't get in any other trouble like this. Pay it by November the 2nd, and we will dismiss the case if it's paid and you don't get in any other trouble.
That's fair.
Okay, now you go ahead and say what you needed to say.
I just wanted to apologize for, my lack of knowledge of, I didn't know, like I said, I was leaving the dispensary and I just kind of just was going about my day. But like I said, everything is updated as far as like my tags and my insurance. I felt like, obviously, I just felt like the matter wasn't supposed to go this far. But again, I appreciate what you did, because I feel like it was the most lenient you can possibly do for me. Like I said, it was my lack of knowledge and not knowing that I couldn't have it in the front seat. I wasn't smoking.
Well, you know what they say. What they say is ignorance of the law is no defense.
Understand.
I'm sure you're not going to stop smoking weed, so you have to know how to transport it legally and stuff like that. But you don't have to apologize to me. That's if things happen. What do they say? Sometimes bad things happen to good people. You know what I'm saying? And we understand that. And this is not the worst thing in the world either. But at the end of the day, you got some knowledge now. You know how to transport it and things like that. But I'm still trying to find out who that. So that'll conclude the record for that. But I'm still trying to find out. It was a movie, and I'll tell you.
Judge,
Say that again.
is it Michael Ealy?
Yes, that's him. I was trying to find his name. Michael Ealy. I think his birthday might be today too. Oh, yesterday. That's where I saw it. So Michael Ealy, you don't know Michael Ealy? One of the movies that he played on was he was a guy, and it was Tara P. Henson, or one of the top actors, and she had started dating him. And he was a real cool guy at first and everything like that. And he drove this real souped up 70-something Chevelle or something. And the next thing you know, oh my God, he got good with her parents. They thought he was just God's gift to her. And the next thing you know, he went and did his thing. He always doesn't he look like him, Mr. Williams Law?
He does. In the movie is The Perfect Guy with Sanaa Lathan. I think that
Sanaa Lathan, the perfect guy. You can see Miss I got, yeah, she's got all that. But check him out. You look exactly like him to me. All right. If there's nothing further, Mr. Lincoln, have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you. Okay.
Appreciate you, Your Honor.
All right, you're welcome.
Thank you,
Mr.
Your
Carpenter,
Honor.
anything else?
Nothing further, Your Honor.
All right. I know everybody else is like, come on, get this over with because I want to get out of here, right, Ms. Guerrera? All right. That's who, is there an attorney here? Are we still waiting? Michael Michelle,
Good morning, Your Honor.
good morning to you. How can we help you?
Your Honor, I've been appointed to interpret for
Very good. All right. Give me a minute. I think this is your Evan Greer.
Yes, I seen that name up here.
We're waiting on an attorney now. I see you, Mr. Lee. You're in line. We're waiting on the city attorney.
Okay.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
All right, you're welcome. Officer P. Jones.
Yes, sir.
Good morning. How can I help you?
Good morning, sir. I'm here for DeLeon. I can't remember the last name. 1 second. Last name is DeLeon George. My apologies.
Daylon George.
Yes, sir.
I have only two officers, Hall and Reiben. I don't have you listed as an officer, but that doesn't mean that you can't stay here.
Y'all contacted by the APS. She asked me to show.
All right, I'll put you in the breakout room.
Thank you, sir.
Evan Greer. He hung up.
Oh, he's back.
Oh, he's back. Evan Greer.
Oh, yes. Hello. How you doing?
Very well. How about yourself?
I'm all right. I'm all right.
So I've already, Ms. Schmidt has already lined me up that you would probably be appearing. And you know, when you took this deal, I asked you, did you want to take the deal? And you indicated to me, yes, you did. I asked you that specifically because I look at the nature of the charges and you indicated yes. So now you're trying to say, and I'm just going by what my clerk has told me, that you didn't understand or you didn't think you were taking a deal to that which you took the deal to?
Correct. So what I see that's on there and what was said is two different things. What I agreed to was a no contest to no vaccination, and I also agreed to a no contest to no dog license. But what's on there is a plea of guilty to no food, water, and shelter, a plea of guilty to another no food, water, and shelter, and a plea of guilty to a no dog restraint.
And it should all be no contest, not guilty pleas, but no contest, and they're treated like guilty pleas. And I gave you 42 hours of community service, 6-month delayed sentence.
Right, and I agreed to that. It's just what I agreed to and what's on there is two different things. That's the only problem.
The court doesn't see it that way.
Okay.
Now, when was this? What day was this?
Look at the date. No,
Let me see.
on that summary.
Oh, 7/27/2026. That's the date it was, 7/27/2026. And who was his, Boffman was his attorney, right?
I am not sure who.
Who was your attorney?
I'm gonna be honest with you. It kind of went through so fast. I don't even remember the brother's name, to be honest with you. I'm so sorry. It was a black gentleman, middle aged.
I think it was Boffman.
I didn't get much time to speak with him, to be honest with you, but it was just two different things. One thing that was said, and it's a different thing that I'm seeing on there.
Well, that's your interpretation of it. This is what I asked you. Did you want to take this deal? You indicated yes. And I asked you that specifically because I see the nature of the charges. And you indicated yes.
I don't, food and shelter.
And I know you don't agree with it. And I know you don't agree with it, but you're going to have to,
yeah, that's just not what me and the attorney guy discussed, because I can agree. No, I didn't have a dog license, and I did not have his vaccination records. So that's true.
So we didn't. So here it is. We didn't take any factual basis because you wanted to enter a no contest plea.
Right.
And no contest plea was basically, I think it was done for no recollection. I know we have a transcript, but to get the transcript, you're going to have to pay for the transcript to get the transcript. You got to pay for the transcript to get the transcript. The transcript was on July 27th, 2026. That was the day that we took the deal. But you took a no contest plea. We didn't put the factual basis on there. And we went through each of those charges, and we went through the case numbers that you were charged with.
So when you,
and there
when
was
you
never any. Well,
so when you plead no contest, the details is the details kind of don't matter.
Well, the details. Well, first of all, there's a couple of reasons why you would plead no contest. One, you'd plead no contest for lack of recollection. Two, you'd plead no contest for civil liability. Those are the two main reasons I can think of off the top of my head. I think you pled no contest because you and your attorney said it was lack of recollection. I don't know if that was because you didn't want the details of this going on to the record or not. I don't know why, because I don't know the discussions with you and your attorney. But when the deal was had, the deal was, each case number was written out, was relayed to me, and I wrote down each case number specifically to what you were dealing with. I recollect clearly that I asked you, are you sure you want to take this deal? And you indicated yes. So now you're coming up to a situation, and I heard that you have a situation with the job that you're dealing with.
Yeah.
And let's see if we can get Mr. Well,
he said it was a young black man.
he's
So-
Boffman. This is Boffman, I think, because I think he wrote Boffman here. Boff.
Oh, if
It is Boffman.
It's Boffman.
Okay.
Let's see if we can get Mr. Boffman back in here. All right. All right, we'll see.
I just wanted to get something clear. So a no contest is the same as pleading guilty, right?
No, the no contest is not the same as pleading guilty. So no contest is no contest. But it's
Right.
but the punishment is taken as a guilty plea. So for
Oh,
sentencing,
okay. I got
and
you.
it's
That's why it says guilty on there.
yeah. No, it
Okay.
should say no contest.
Well, it
should
says
not say. Let me look.
well, it says on the background check, it says plea the plea is guilty, a plea of guilty. That's what for 3 charges.
I don't know how the background check is. I don't know how the background check how that's supposed to be done.
Okay.
And not familiar with that. What I'm going to tell you what it says in the record is it's
Okay.
it's not in the record right.
I mean,
Yeah.
okay.
All right, we're going to correct the record right now.
Okay.
It says pled guilty to in the record, and that's an error on our part.
Okay. So maybe if we could just move forward with just correcting that, and maybe if they
We're
go
going to
back
do
in
that
and they
right.
see.
We're going to do that right now,
Okay.
and
So I guess
and we apologize to you about that.
Absolutely, I'm sorry, sir.
no problem, no problem. I guess we could just move forward with that. I guess we don't have to go back for the
Well,
for the
if you're
details.
saying that now you're saying that you didn't agree to the deal that they took.
Yeah, I mean, I did. To be honest with you, I didn't. I didn't agree. I didn't agree to the no food, no shelter, no water, because that's just honestly not true.
All right, give me a
But
second. Mr. Boffman's going to log in, please.
okay.
Mr. Boffman, I'm sorry to interrupt your day. Now, first of all, good morning to you. I do have Mr. Evan Greer here. Mr. Greer, we made a mistake, firstly, and we're correcting that mistake now. Mr. Greer, you represented him on the 27th of July, and he had charges of animal cruelty and failure to restrain some dogs.
Yes, Your Honor.
So we entered it in as a guilty plea. It was taken under a no contest plea, and it has affected Mr. Greer's ability to get a job. So we're correcting that record now.
Understood.
Secondly, Mr. Greer indicates to the court that he never intended to plead to what he pled to. So I would like you to speak to him about that.
Yeah.
If you could. All right. Just join the breakout room and have a conversation.
Sure.
Can we get Ms. Horn? Can you text Ms. Horn, please?
Yes, I can do that.
I mean, we sit here waiting.
You were just,
Ms.
you were
Harris?
just there.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yeah, so you have
What about,
the meet, I can give you.
Angel Lewis?
It is 360-535.
I'm not certain.
00.
Okay, you didn't take care of Angel Lewis?
Okay,
I did not.
all
All
right,
right.
go ahead and log back in, please.
So is that Angel Lewis?
Okay, thank you.
Is it Angela, Judge?
Angela Lewis, I'm sorry.
I did not have that person.
I thought I did that person. I thought it was a dismissal, but, all right. Mr. Boffman and Mr. Greer, have you guys worked it out?
We did speak, Your Honor. My client would ask for a correction that the record reflect that he pled no contest and not guilty.
We've already corrected the record.
Perfect. He does not wish to withdraw his guilty plea, Judge. He wants to remain.
Well, let's get it to, the terminology, because that's another thing Mr. Greer was, is a no contest plea.
No
contest. No contest.
It is a distinction. It is a distinction. So essentially, it's basically you're not admitting any fault, and you're accepting. There it is. It's in the record, right? All right. Because you're not admitting any fault. Now I don't know how that's going to go on the job situation. I don't know, but you haven't admitted to doing what they allege that you did. You're just not, and you're not contesting the fact, and that's where the no contest comes in.
Okay, great. Just one more question before I go. If I needed to get some type of paperwork, like if I needed to get some type of documentation, would I be able to come down to the court to get that, or
print that out from your house right now? You can go on to the 36th District Court website and type your name and put those case numbers in, and you'll see it says no low plea, no low contender.
Right. Okay,
I can
great.
send that
Thank
to
you. I do
now, Mr.
appreciate
Greer.
that.
I send it to your cell phone.
Okay, thanks, man. I appreciate that.
Never a
All
problem.
right, be safe and best of luck to you. Sorry, we apologize for our error.
Judge,
And
I
thank you
thank
guys
for the
for moving
courtesy
so
of your phone
swiftly.
call.
Judge, none of
All
this
right.
was on the record, right?
None of it was on the record.
Okay, perfect.
Have a great day, everyone. Thank you, Miss Williams Law. Sorry for the trouble. Bye.
Thank you, Mr. Greer, and thank you, Mr. Boston, for coming in so quickly.
And I apologize.
All right. Thank you.
All right.
Thank you. I do appreciate it.
Bye.
All right, have a great one. That's this Motorola. Who is that on that Motorola?
It might be that Antoinette.
Glover.
Yeah. That she just called.
Is this Antoinette Glover?
Yes,
All right, good morning to you, ma'am.
good morning.
Just a short time ago, a judge brought for her intimidation charges against the man who spent weeks on trial.
Are we ready on anybody, Ms. Harris?
No, I know Ms. Horn just joined. Can she be made co-host?
Can I hear?
Oh, give me a minute, ma'am.
Oh, okay.
Going. Mr. Berry, did you have Angela Marie Lewis?
I did.
What was going on with her?
Well, I have an offer that I'd share with her. That's what I'm.
Is she gone now, right?
It looks like she fell off. I was just searching for it. She's not in the waiting room.
Okay, very good. I just wanted to make sure I didn't make a mistake. All right, let's move on. Let's call the city of Detroit, Mr. Berry versus Takesha Grimes. Case number SP 1345811, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1798682, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1918008, counts 1 and counts 2. 2045536, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Grimes.
Keisha Grimes.
Okay, good morning to you, ma'am. Today
Good
is the
morning.
date. It is set for a trial. I did have Officer Corporal Corprick and Officer Jones appeared. I didn't see an Officer Thomas Brown. Let me make sure. Corporal Corprick and Officer Jones appeared. I did not see an Officer Brown or Officer Dorinda. So I know I'm pronouncing that wrong, but Mr. Berry, get Miss Grimes an updated offer. Keep in mind, Miss Grimes, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Mr. Berry and let us know what you want to do. Today is the date and time for the trial if you don't like the offer, okay?
Okay.
All right, I'll put you in a breakout room, Mr. Berry, and speak to him, please. Let's see if Officer Jones is here. He's here. And Corporal Corpick was here, but he's not here now. Let's pass the matter. Miss Baird, are you ready on Mr. George?
Judge, can you get him to go in the breakout room? Because I went in there, I was waiting on the prosecutor, and I need to talk to him.
Join the room, Mr. Give me a minute, Mr. Lee. I'm doing the best I can. Let's go call the city of Detroit versus Dalen, Deontay, Ramon, George. Case number SP 185-30211, SP 187-6629, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 187-6635, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Go on.
Your Honor. Sorry.
Okay, that's fine. Melita Baird on behalf of George. Judge, we were able to work this matter out. Today is the trial date. For the police officers that were here, the city attorney has made an offer for Mr. George on the VMO to be a 3-month delayed sentence. Then also 2 civil infractions blockading the balance of the tickets to be dismissed.
So that's a violation of marijuana.
Yes, Judge, that would be the 3-month delay.
And then what else?
2 blockadings for the civil infractions. And the balance to be dismissed.
You want to take the deal, Mr. George?
Yes, Your Honor. I would like to accept the offer.
Raise your right hand, please. You swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
I do, Your Honor.
Or you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines, the misdemeanor?
I'm aware, Your Honor.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
I do, Your Honor.
Miss Barrett went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room. Did she not?
Yes, she did.
You understood those rights?
I did.
You have any questions about those rights?
I do not, Your Honor.
And you know, by taking this deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes, Your Honor, I'm aware of that.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No one has offered me anything other than what's been stated in the record.
Thank you. All right. Officer Hall, you want to put your name, badge, number, department on the record, please? Start your video.
Officer Arthur Hall, Detroit Police Department, badge number 4389.
All right, good morning to you. All right, Mr. George, let me draw your attention back to March 19, 2026, around 5:36 p.m., city of Detroit, area of Greenfield and Outer Drive. You have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department on that day?
I encountered the Detroit Police on that day.
Operating a motor vehicle?
Correct.
And were you smoking weed while you in the operation of that motor vehicle?
Sure, Your Honor.
Sure. Is that yes, no?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Find your client guilty as charged. Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible, please, on your client's behalf.
Yeah, so stipulated, Judge.
All right. Find your client responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic for the failure to stop and amended count of blocking traffic for the unsafe manner. I'll cut you a break. I'll fine you the $240 for the marijuana. Give you a 3-month delayed sentence, meaning if you do not get in any other trouble and the $240 is paid, we'll dismiss the case. You pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. 2 best ways I can tell you to pay it. Or you can, there are other ways to pay it as well, but you come back on November the 2nd. Those are just the 2 best ways. Come back on November the 2nd at 8:25. If it's paid and you don't get any other trouble, you don't have to come back. All right. So if there's nothing further, Mr. George, have a very good rest of your day. Be safe. And Officer Hall, You be safe out there as well too, all right?
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Your
You're
Honor.
welcome.
Thank
All
you,
right,
Ms.
Judge,
Barrett.
have a good
Thank you,
day.
Mr. Hall.
Bye-bye.
All right, take it easy. All right. Why are you so late, Mr. Lanier? I
Can you
should have
hear me?
asked Ms. Glover the same thing. Why are you so late?
I was out last night, dropping my daughter off late. Just had a long night, overslept.
Dropping your daughter off.
Yeah,
Run his driver's license, please.
I didn't say I was driving.
I didn't say you were driving either.
I mean, you said run a license like I was driving.
Because I want to run your license.
I don't have license.
All right. Well, you have a shirt on?
Do I have a shirt on?
Do you have a shirt on?
No, I can get a shirt.
Do not come in my courtroom undressed. Do not come in my courtroom late again. Okay?
All right.
Now get yourself together, please. All right. Are we ready on anyone, Ms. Harris?
Mr. Griffin.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Griffin. Mr. Griffin, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Mine is going to enter a plea, Your Honor.
Officer Pencil, good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Can you state your name, badge, number, department for the record, please?
Yes, sir. Officer Matthew Pencil, badge number 4162, Detroit Police Department.
All right. Good morning to you. Mr. Griffin, you want to take this deal?
Yes.
Raise your right hand, please. You swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, I do.
You can put your hand down. You understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Ms. Harris went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room.
Person approaching.
Did Ms. Harris go over your other advice or rights in the breakout room?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
Questions about those rights?
No.
You know by taking a deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Let me draw your attention back to June the 1st, 2026, around 2:15 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Fournier and Houston Whittier. Did you have an occasion to be in that area around that date and that time?
Yes.
What did you do?
I threw some boxes out of my vehicle.
Just littering up the city, huh?
It was a bad decision, and I went back and tried to clean it up. I went back, cleaned it up, and got rid of it.
Yeah, it's like you should have done in the first place.
True.
I mean, the city has provided you can go take a dump if you have a driver's license, and a lot of times you pull up there and they don't even ask you for the license, or they just have you sign the form, and sometimes they don't have you sign the form. You go dump the stuff in the container. All right. You satisfied, counselor?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
All right. What is this, a 12-month delay?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, 12-month delayed. I'm gonna find him guilty. I'm fining you $500, and you need to pay that in a month.
Okay.
Give him till September 26th to pay it. The 1 year date is going to be reviewed on August the 4th, 2027. Pay the $500. And by 9/3/2026, and then if it's paid, you don't have to come back. I'll see. If it's not, I need to see you. But if it's paid, then just keep the August 4th date, don't get in any other trouble. If it's paid, don't get any other trouble. On August 4th, 2027, you don't have to show back up either, sir. That's the only way I can get to dumping and guns, shooting guns, is that's just how it is.
Understandable.
All right, if there's nothing further, Mr. Griffin, best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day, sir. Officer Pencil, you have a very good rest of your day as well.
You as
Be
well,
safe,
you as well, Your Honor. Thank you.
You're welcome. This is the city of Detroit, Ms. Harris, versus Christina Garita, case number SP 19223971. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name.
Garita.
Good morning to you, ma'am. Today is the date and time. It is set for a trial. Officer Delbosky did appear. Ms. Harris is going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you do not like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Oh, I'm sorry. I should have gotten the interpreter and Miss. Give me the correct pronunciation of your name again. I need to get the pronunciation correct. Miss Laurel. Good morning to you, ma'am.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Mr. Michael Michelle, can you state your name for the record, please?
Yes, Your Honor. Michael Michelle.
Can you raise your right hand, please?
Yes,
Do
Your
you
Honor.
swear or affirm that you'll truly, accurately, and impartially interpret in the matter now before the court, not divulge confidential communication, so help you God?
I do, Your Honor.
And do you swear or affirm that you'll interpret from English to Asian Creole and Asian Creole to English to the best of your ability?
Yes, Your Honor.
Very well. Give me a few minutes and I'll get you out of here.
Okay.
Ms. Horn, Ms. Harris needs to see you in 4. Can you talk to Ms. Harris about Mrs. Can you tell me can you give me the correct pronunciation of your name, ma'am?
Islam.
She broke up. All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Grimes. Ms. Grimes, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
We're prepared for trial, Your Honor.
All right, let's pass it. Run her license, please. Thank you.
Yeah.
Let's call, we'll do the Island. Give me the correct pronunciation.
Madame Dilki Jean pour
Okay,
prononcer non.
Islam.
I turned her video off to see if that helps it. Islam, give me the correct pronunciation of your last name, ma'am.
Et dernier nom, qui j'ai pour le prononcer.
Laurel.
Laurel. This is the city of Detroit versus Islam Laurel. Case number SP 189-94101. Appearance for the record, please. Mr. Michelle.
Yes, Your Honor.
You got to interpret.
Okay. Il dit que c'est qu'est-ce que je dis c'est cité de Detroit Conto et puis qu'on y a nous pourrons commencer.
Okay.
Mr. Berry.
Yes, sir.
Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. Your full name, please.
Lady D, no.
Isla Laurel.
All right, good morning to you, ma'am. Officer Warren did appear. I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Li di ke li pral mette ou lon chambre privé avec avocat avec moi-même et puis li pral bo un nouveau explanation de plainte ou ka pran et puis sou vle pran plainte lan ou ka pran ou bien sou pa vle ou gen droit pour ou pa vle le tout.
Okay.
Mr. Berry, let Miss Horn know that Ms. Grimes wants a trial too. We'll pass the matter. Corporal Bennett, Corporal Croxton, good morning to both of you. You're free to leave. Mr. Green never appeared. Be safe.
Thank you, Judge. Thank you.
You're welcome. And good morning to you as well, too.
Judge, can you give me a quick moment before we go to the next case?
Yes. Corporal Bennett, Loving never appeared either.
I'm back, Judge.
Okay. Now let's go back on the record with Ms. Garita. Ms. Garita, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, this is the dismissal.
Yes, Your Honor, pursuant to recommendation.
All right, case dismissed, Ms. Garita. Have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you, okay?
Okay, thank you very much, Your Honor, and
You're
the
welcome.
attorney. Bye-bye. Have a good day.
Bye-bye.
You too,
You as
thank you.
well. This is the City of Detroit versus Quishan Damon McKinley Lee. Case number SP 1927289, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris, on behalf of Mr. Lee, please state your name for the record.
Sean Lee, Your Honor.
Good morning to you, sir. Day is date and time. It is set for a pre-trial. She's in the breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the
Yes, sir.
room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out.
Thank you, Your Honor.
He's suspended.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Lee. Mr. Lee, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, we're respectfully requesting trial and formal hearing date.
All right, is that what you want, Mr. Lee?
Yes, Your Honor. I'm sorry about yes.
All right, trial is going to be August the 24th, 2026 at 9 a.m., all right?
Okay, thank you.
Best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day.
You too. Thank you, Your Honor. You have a great day as well.
This is the City of Detroit versus Antoinette Marie Glover. Case numbers SP 1005447, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1005491. SP 1008681. SP 1037932, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1037931. SP 1229071, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1259184, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1259291. SP 1379071, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1691444, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1846944, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 184-69773, SP 1869250, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1869316, counts 1. SP 995903, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 9959051. Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name for the record.
Antoinette Glover.
All right, good morning to you, ma'am. Today at the date and time is set for a pretrial. Ms. Lover will put you in the breakout room. Ms. Harris, she's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. When you see the prompt, join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out. Let's pass the matter.
Your Honor, are you able to tell me which officers checked in?
This is not for this pretrial.
Pretrial, sorry.
That's all right. All right. What's going to happen here, Mr. Berry?
The particular here of Miss LaRue is dismissal, Your Honor.
All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. LaRue. Ms. LaRue, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, this is a dismissal?
Yes, Your Honor.
Li di ke l de bon opportunité pour parler avec avocat Kounia.
Okay, case is dismissed, ma'am. I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Li di pa jete, li ta souhaité.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Thank you, Mr. Michelle.
Thank you, Your Honor.
As well. All right, have a great day.
You too.
Did you tell Ms. Horn about the trial?
The matter is to be dismissed, Your Honor, per the prosecutor.
Now let's go back on the record with Ms. Grimes. Ms. Grimes waited it out. SP 1345811, counts 1 and counts 2. Dismiss her city attorney. And SP 1798682, Counts 1 and counts 2, dismiss per city attorney. I'm gonna waive the warrant fee. You're gonna pay the reinstatement fees, Ms. Grimes, and you still owe the court some money on some old civil infractions as well, okay? Is Ms. Grimes, you there?
Yes, I'm here. I'm sorry. My daughter, she was messing with me a little bit. I'm sorry.
The cases are dismissed, but you still owe reinstatement fees and you still owe civil infractions that were old, okay?
Okay, and how much are they amounting to?
I don't, basically, what is that, 855, 755, so about 705 is what you owe, about, roundabout. Okay?
That's including reinstatement and what civil infraction?
And the civil infractions, the old civil infractions that you let go into default.
Okay, so that's what we were discussing last week. Remember I told you it was like a $355 ticket that was stopping me from getting my license, and you said it went away or something like that?
Yeah, that, I don't see anything that's affecting you getting your license here.
Okay.
You're just gonna owe that money on those old tickets.
Okay.
But it doesn't, none of this should affect you getting your license.
Okay, cleared it all the way out. Okay.
Try to get your license. They should give you a printout. If they don't give you a printout, I mean, if they don't give you a license, then they should give you a printout on everything that's affecting your license, okay?
Okay. Okay. Thank you. I appreciate you. So I would just have to make a payment plan with the court.
You can do that, yes.
Okay.
All right. Best of luck to you, ma'am.
Thank you. I appreciate you and your time.
You as well.
Have a great
City
one.
of Detroit versus Danielle Lanier, case number SP 1217745, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1240278, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1256731. SP, oh no, appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr., on behalf of the defendant, state your full name.
Danielle Lanier.
Turn your camera on.
It's 7, 10. Oh, there you go. Hold on.
All right, good morning to you, Mr. Lanier. Today is the date and time is set for arraignment on the bench warrant. Purposes of arraignment, counsel.
We would waive the reading of the information and stand mute, Your Honor.
Enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Lanier, if you expect me to believe that you didn't drive your daughter last night, I don't believe it. Just to let you know that, all right? Mr. Berry, Mr. Lanier owes no insurance proof, $288. He can pay that $288, and then he could probably get clearances here. He would definitely get clearances here, because out of the other stuff, he owes some other civil infractions as well. But he get clearances here, and he can potentially set himself up to get a valid driver's license to legally take his daughter around. Talk to him, Mr. Lanier. Mr. Berry is going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, all right? Join the room, we'll pass the matter. I think I told Miss Angel Lewis that her cases were dismissed. I have her file right here.
You have it?
I think I told her that. It's allowing again. With this allowing stuff, unless they have, it's a very difficult thing for them. been cool all the way. All right, let me call you back. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Lanier. Mr. Lanier, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
We seek a trial date, Your Honor.
Is that what you want, Mr. Lanier?
Yes.
All right. Trial date's going to be August the 24th, 2026. Like I say, you owe a handful of civil infractions, but that 288 no insurance proof, that's the one that's got the reinstatement fee. If you got any money, you need to pay that. Go pay that and go to the Secretary of State. And after you pay that, go to the Secretary of State and see if they'll give you a license. And I would come down to the courthouse or either pay that on the DivDat kiosk so it goes through instantly. Don't try to pay it online or something. And then if you go to the Secretary of State and they don't give you a license after that, then you can ask them for a printout. They should be able to give you a printout of everything that's affecting your license. All right.
Okay.
Don't be late next time, and don't come to court without being properly dressed. I don't even require much, but you have to put a shirt on.
Okay. I was just rushing to get on Zoom. That was it.
All right. Best of luck to you, sir. And don't come telling me that you didn't drive your daughter last night. All right.
All right.
All right. Best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day.
You too.
I don't know. Would they think I was born yesterday, Mr. Barry?
It's that self-defense mechanism is
It's always there, isn't it?
always there.
He was pretty, he said he didn't say he was driving. And he didn't.
Yeah, but once you said, I know you were.
Oh, no, you are.
He
didn't say anything.
No,
Hey, he didn't say anything. No.
Yeah, at that point, he's like, okay.
Corporal Bennett, yeah, you're free to leave. Your defendants didn't show. Be safe. Mr. Berry, I think I swore that I sent Miss Lewis off. She has an allowing and a no insurance misdemeanor. And what was the offer for Miss Angela Lewis?
Improper plates for the no insurance matter.
Do we have a phone number for her?
I do not, Your Honor. She was going to plead and be done with it.
And you spoke to her?
Oh, yes, definitely, yes.
We're going to have to bring her back in here. We'll dismiss what we said we were going to dismiss. All right, we'll dismiss what we said and reset the other two for a trial date.
Okay.
Mr. Lee is back. Who did you speak with, Mr. Lee?
How you doing, y'all? I'm sorry. I had the female attorney.
Ms. Harris, what
Yes.
do you need to speak with
Yeah,
her? What's going on?
Yes, Your Honor. I didn't have a clear understanding when I first was speaking with her about what the charges would be, like the plea deal that they offered. And I thought to myself, and I said, that'll be something that I'd like to do, Your Honor. I'm sorry for wasting your time or anything. It just didn't register all the way with me at first.
And it took that long for it to register?
Yeah, it was like 20, 30 minutes, Your Honor. Yes, I had to speak with my mother too as well. So I'm like, and she's like, yeah, that's a good deal. You know, it would just only be 1 point on your license, so it made sense. And that's why I called back. Like I'm like,
Your mother's a lawyer?
no, sir, no, just you know how it is with your mother. I'm sorry.
Huh?
Yeah, I said no, she's not a lawyer, but you know how it is with your mother. You know, you gonna call and ask for good advice from like a mom. So yeah, that's
Yeah,
why.
but maybe your mom, she has the best intentions, but it may not be the best advice.
Yeah, but I think it's a good advice, Your Honor, sir.
You think so, huh?
Yeah, yes,
So
sir.
you ready to take that 1 point on your license, huh?
Yeah, I know it's a bit much, Your Honor, but yeah, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Well, how old are you?
I'm 32 years old, Your Honor.
32.
Yes, sir.
Well, I wish I could call my mother up and ask her
No.
for some,
Yeah, yeah. I'm sorry to hear that. Yes, sir.
but I probably wouldn't take any legal advice from her.
Don't do her like that, Your Honor. Don't do her like
I
that.
just wouldn't. She's not a lawyer,
I'm kind of trusting in her a little bit with this one.
All right. Yeah, I was riding one day, taking my mom home. We're going up Van Dyke, and we stop at the light, and my window was down. The guy rolled his window down. He's like, "Man, treasure that."
Yes.
And then he was like, "I wish I did have my mom." He just knew automatically that was my mom too.
Yeah.
And I was like, "Yeah." And I think about that a lot. You know what I'm saying?
Did you guys favor, Your Honor? Sorry for being rude.
That's
You and
what
your
they
mom
say.
favor?
That's what they say.
And that's how me and her is. We favor a lot
He
too.
automatically knew. He automatically knew. So but yeah, I was like, man. And I think about that when I think about her, I was like, man, he was right. Treasure those moments. So I say that to you. Treasure those moments with your
Yep.
mom.
Thank you. Thank you, Your Honor. Thank
I
you.
see you are. I see. I don't have to tell you that either. You
Man,
already.
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
But to get off and talk to her about
Yes.
it. And
Yeah.
And I'm thinking in my head, excuse me, I say, I hope the judge doesn't think I'm like kind of disrespecting him for everything. I said, well, it's worth a try. Let me at least try to get back on and try. You can't stop until you at least try.
No, I don't think you're disrespectful at all.
Yeah. Yes,
I
sir.
think that you can get that offer any day and on Sunday. And I think that you would probably be best served to keep the trial date, but put it this way. It wouldn't hurt. It probably
Yeah.
won't get any worse. And it might not get any better, but it probably is going to stay the same. But at the end of the day, it's up to you and your mom, I guess. That's me. That's me. I'm gonna let Miss Harris come out and do you have a valid driver's license?
No, not at the moment, sir. That's what the plea deal was offering.
do you have his file?
No, I put it
So
up there.
I,
Is that it?
no, that's what I'm trying to figure out what I do with it.
I don't have it.
No, I'm sure it's. Oh, it's right here. I already, okay. Did you get warmer in your fingers? Because my fingers were freezing enough. Yeah. All right.
All right, have a good one. I'll restock the refrigerator too.
Go back there and look. I
Judge, is your vacation coming up?
No, the September. Let's see who this is. Zoom user.
Yes. Hello?
Is that Miss Lewis?
Yes.
Oh, Mr. Barry, speak to Miss Lewis,
Yes, Your Honor.
please.
Yes, of course.
Trial date, so. Join the room, Miss Lewis. All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Glover. Ms. Glover, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, we are respectfully requesting a trial date, and if there are any reinstatement fees, we're asking for permission to pay those up front.
I've seen Ms. Glover before. I know I have, haven't I, Ms. Glover?
I believe so.
The trial is going to be August 24th, 2026 at 9 a.m. Let me see if why were you so late, Ms. Glover? Ms. Glover?
Can you hear me? I'm sorry. I had a court date yesterday and it kind of slipped my mind. I got lost of time.
Maybe I'm sure I've seen it.
Time.
I see 1, 2, 3. 3 tickets that are affecting her ability to get clearances here. I'll allow you to pay the reinstatement fee up front with the understanding that you're gonna pay these off completely. I'm not gonna set aside the defaults, okay? You have to bring the money down to the courthouse in person. That's the only way I can allow you to do it, because it won't allow me to let you pay it online or anything like that. You have to come down to the courthouse and bring, I see $135, $45 a piece. And pay those statement fees. You do that, that'll get you clearances here. And then you can try to go get a license. If you don't get a license, then you can ask the Secretary of State for a printout, everything that's affecting your license. Ms. Glover, if there's nothing further, come back on August 24th, 2026 at 9 a.m. I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Ms. Harris?
Yes, sir.
Ms. Harris,
Yes, sir.
Mr. Lee went and got himself a better lawyer.
That's wonderful. I am happy to hear that.
He called his mom, and his
Awesome.
mom says he's best suited to take the deal. Unmute yourself, Mr. Lee.
Sorry about that, Your Honor. Because Miss Harris, you was missing the honor. Your Honor had a good laugh about mothers, and that's why it was funny to me. I'm sorry about that.
Please. I support
And
it.
what was the offer?
Admit responsibility to the 1 to 5 over.
All right. And they'll have a point on his driver's license, and he doesn't know whether that's going to affect him, or his mom doesn't know whether that's going to affect him from getting a driver's license and put him back another year on his license or not, does he?
Probably not. I would set it for trial, but what do I know?
Well, he went and got better advice, Ms. Harris. So don't feel slighted, okay?
I don't at all.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Quashawn Lee. Mr. Lee, you want to take this deal?
Yes, I will.
You don't care if it puts you back another year to get a valid license, right?
Honestly, do, Your Honor.
Huh?
Honestly does.
I didn't
But
hear
Miss
you.
Harris, I say I honestly do, Your Honor. But Miss Harris says she thinks we should just go with the best deal and set it for trial.
Say that again?
Said Miss Harris says she wants to go with the deal and set it for trial.
That's what Ms. Harris said. She doesn't want to go with the deal. You're saying two different things. Ms. Harris advised you to set it for trial. Your mom advised you to take the deal.
Yes, but I think I should listen to counsel. What you're saying more so, Your Honor.
Well,
My mom is not a lawyer.
Going back and forth and flip-flopping. Stop flip-flopping.
No, I'm just listening to what you and Miss Harris is saying, basically, Your Honor. You got a better judgment too of being a judge, Yes, sir.
Your Honor,
He
is the judge.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying. Yes, yes.
I believe there's an amendment to the offer now.
What is the offer now?
Blockading, Your Honor.
All right, now that changes things. You want to take that deal, sir? That's a 0-point offense. It doesn't abstract to the Secretary of State, and therefore it doesn't carry any points. It's $175. I call it akin to an expensive parking ticket.
Now that's a deal, Your Honor, I'd like to take. Yes, I would like to take that deal.
Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea on your client's behalf.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
All right, find your client responsible for that amended count of blocking traffic, $175. We'll dismiss the improper plate, $175. Don't tell me when you don't ask your mom to pay this for you now. When can you
Yeah,
pay it?
yes, sir. That's what I was about to ask you. How long would you give me to pay it?
Today is due.
Oh, today. Oh, today is due. Can I get at least 30 days on the ticket, Your Honor, please?
Not 30 days on $175.
How long would you offer, Your Honor?
Why are you working?
Not at the moment. No, sir. I'm going through something with disability right now.
I'll give you 30 days.
Okay, yes, sir.
September the 3rd, 2026, pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. There are other ways to pay it. Those are just the two best ways. I guess your mom hooked you up today. Because had you not come back, had you not listened to her and come back in, then you would have never got that. You wouldn't have got that deal today. You probably would have got it some other day, but not today. If there's nothing further, tell your mom we said hi and best of luck to you, sir. Good luck on your disability claim and have a very good rest of your day. All right.
Thank you. Thank you, Your Honor. You guys all have a blessing as well. Thank you.
All right. Thank you. Let's go back on the record with Miss hand me that. Miss Lewis. Mr. Barry, Miss Lewis, I've given you two an opportunity to speak. What does Miss Lewis want to do, Mr. Barry?
Your Honor, my client would avail herself of the people's offer to allow her to enter a plea of improper plate for the no insurance misdemeanor charge. The remaining matters to be dismissed.
Miss Lewis, do you want to take the deal?
Yes.
Raise your right hand, please. Do you swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Let me pause it. Let me go off the record. Who's at 586-854-008?
Michelle Gibson.
Michelle Gibson.
Yeah, I don't have a I don't have a this is
that must be on the afternoon docket.
No, I don't have a court date with you. You just asked me to come back in over a ticket if I could not pay that ticket. So that's what I was doing.
All right, let's go back on the record with Miss Lewis. Miss Lewis, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. You understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Mr. Berry went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
Any questions about those rights?
No.
You know by taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Okay, I was told that I would have to pay $240.
Yeah, we haven't got to that point yet.
Oh, okay.
I'm trying to understand whether you know your rights or not.
Yes.
Do you know you're going to give these rights up when you take this deal?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Let me draw your attention back to December the 2nd, 2025 at around 11:49 a.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of 7 Mile and Goldberg. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
No, I didn't.
You didn't have an occasion to come encounter with that? Okay, let me ask you this, a different question. Did you own a 2012 Chrysler on that date?
I have a 2012 Equinox.
No, I'm not, well, I'm not talking about, what about on that date on December the 2nd, 2025? Did you own a 2012 Chrysler on that date?
Yes.
All right. Was that Chrysler operable on that date?
My daughter might have been driving.
All right. So, but the Chrysler was roadworthy, right?
Yes.
And did you have insurance on that Chrysler on that date?
No.
All right. You satisfied, counselor?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
The court is satisfied. I'm gonna find your client guilty as to the amended count of improper plate. Stipulate the probable cause. Will dismiss the other matters.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
All right. $240, Miss Lewis. I'll dismiss upon payment.
Okay.
When can you pay it?
Today.
Oh, all right. I'll let you get till tomorrow to get it in here.
I can pay it at the kiosk.
Yes. You
Okay.
pay it at the kiosk and then Thursday. Come back in Thursday. You don't have to come back if you have it paid, but if you pay it at the kiosk, it'll go through instantly. But if it's not paid, I need to see you on Thursday morning. But if you pay it, I'll dismiss the case on Thursday morning. All right, Miss Lewis?
All right, it will be paid today.
I wish you the best of luck, ma'am. I'm glad you came back in. All right.
All right, thank you.
All right. Have a great day.
You too.
All right. Thank you.
You're welcome.
This is all right. Thank you. Is this Michelle Massey?
Judge,
Yes, it is.
Angela Lewis. What
That's
Lewis?
Angela Lewis, Angela Marie Lewis.
Okay, thank you.
Yes.
All right, Miss Lewis. Have a great day, ma'am.
You too.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Let me call the city of Detroit versus Michelle Massey Gibson, case number SP 110173001. Appearance for the record, please.
Yes.
Nobody wants to represent Miss Massey?
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Massey.
Michelle Massey Gibson.
All right, we'll call the date and time set for a show cause for purposes of arraignment. It was yesterday the show cause was.
Mike, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute, Your Honor.
And enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. Miss Massey,
Yes.
I told you to come back in. That was 5 years ago.
No, I've been talking to you, Judge. I talked to you last month, and you gave me some time to pay the ticket.
All right, but that was 5 years ago. You took this plea.
Yeah, now I came to court. This is my third time because I'm trying to get the ticket paid. But every time you tell me to come back, I come back if I don't get it paid. Because I didn't even know that I had a warrant ticket or whatever it is. I didn't even know nothing about it until I started paying on the other tickets. They kept sending stuff to the wrong address.
Is this Cliff Street address the correct address?
No, I have not stayed on Cliff Street in like 4 or 5 years or more.
Do you want us to update your address?
Yes, you can, but I'm trying to get the ticket paid. I just need some more time. I'm only on minimum wage and I only get paid, every 2 weeks. So it's like I'm trying to pay the ticket.
Why don't you get into a payment plan?
I didn't even know that I could. If I could do a payment plan, like, I don't know, pay $20 a week or so, I can do something like that to try to start paying the ticket.
I'm gonna waive, wait a minute. I don't have anything to waive because there's no late fee here. All right. I'm gonna set this matter for another date of November the 3rd, 2026. I'm marking the file allow payment plan.
Okay.
So do one of two things.
Okay.
Pay it at DivDak kiosk, and you know the spiel. Pay it at
Yeah.
any DivDak kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDak app to your phone, or come on down to the courthouse and pay it. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. Or by September the 3rd, 2026, on that date or before that date, come down to the courthouse and get into a payment plan.
Okay.
And then you can come down to the courthouse and update your address, because I don't think you want you to say, well, I can turn the